Yay! What's good, YouTube? So, I'm going to make a YouTube video on how to start a YouTube channel, what apps you're going to need, and how to upload to YouTube. So, I got a little screen recorder going on right now. It's an app that I was able to pull up. So, I'm going to my apps. This little folder right here has all of the different things that I use to upload videos to YouTube. So, like I was saying, this is the screen recorder app that I got going on. And, yeah. So, let's start. So, if you want to start a YouTube channel, I think it's a great thing right now because I know that a lot of us are bored, but not only that, but a lot of us have a lot of gifts and talents that we just need to share to the world. And if you have like a craft or a trade or a passion, something that you're passionate about, I think it's great because you're able to build a community of other people that have similar interests to you. And that's one of the reasons why I did it. Some things that I'm into is like men's fashion. I watch like Alpha M. What else they got? I watch a lot of hair cutting tutorials. So I want to be like a barber one day. So I've invested in tools, and so I give my reviews and stuff. I give reviews and unboxings of different tools that I purchase. I like to do little skits. So I joined in this talent show that we had. So I have a little video up there. And I basically want to just, I guess, I don't know if it's so much as promoting, but kind of just keeping like a memory base. Because YouTube's going to be around forever. You guys got to remember that. YouTube's going to be around forever. And it's kind of like a vlog. A video blog of your own life. And whether people like it or not, you will be surprised because you might find somebody that has similar interests to you. So, but let me get past the whole rambling part, even though it is important, and let's start this thing. So once again, you're gonna want to get your YouTube Studio app, this one right here, and once you get it, it'll look like this. Basically, it'll give you a whole breakdown of the different videos that you got. What I mean by breakdown is you're able to click on a video and you're able to go down here to analytics, and you're able to look at all of the different, whether it be watch time, views, just a whole bunch of different things that are going on with that specific video. And this is specifically made for YouTube channel YouTubers who are interested in their channel, and basically it helps their YouTube channel. And this is where they're able to track all of their data. So I put up a couple videos a couple months ago, and these last like 5 videos I put up within the last week. So I want to continue to put out a lot more content. I may not be able to follow through as a lot of the other people, but that's okay, because a lot of the things that I have so far, I'm passionate about. So if I could just help out somebody like this one right here, Rebel and Hero, huge discount. Alpha M has this huge deal going on right now, and I'm not going to really try to promote it or anything, but I would just like, when I come across something interesting or a good find or a good buy, that I would like to share it with others. And if they want to go and then review and check for themselves, basically if it's a good idea to invest or buy one of their products that they're offering or that I'm showing or reviewing, then that's up to them. But I feel like it's just a good thing, you know. It's a good thing for us to do for one another, and you guys might like it. You guys might be able to enjoy it. And so let me continue. So that's the YouTube Studio. You're definitely going to want to get this. Here we go. Let's get more into it. So when you start making videos, obviously you could just easily use your camera right here to start making videos. And let me show you my camera. And you're able to put all of these things down, and you're able to put them together, and make a little video out of it. Now, the thing that I use to put all of my videos in before I edit it and as I edit it and as I process it, I use this thing called Power Director. And basically this is like a iMovie or something where you're able to drag numerous videos and condense it into one video, and then once you have it already, you're able to ship it off to YouTube. So I was able to find Power Director through Play Store. And the reason why I have Galaxy Store right here and Play Store is because on this, if you have a Galaxy phone, then you're able to get this Galaxy Store app, which then allows you to get ZenTube. Now, I don't know if YouTube is on Play Store and Galaxy Store, but YouTube is another downloader that I really like, because I'll talk about that later. Right now, what we need to get you is we need to get you Power Director, YouTube Studio, and that's about it. So let me show you what Power Director does. So you go into Power Director, right? It opens up. It's super dope. This is where I did a lot of my editing of my videos. And so potentially you would just go to create a new project. I like to use the 16:9 for the YouTube. I've been using the 1:1 recently, but let's try 16:9, right? So you go for the new project. It pops up with this screen. You're able to come up here to the. You see what I'm clicking right there? Yeah, you leave it on that. You come over here. It's on camera already. So you go to camera, and you have all of these videos where you're able to choose from. So let's say you choose this pizza one. You click the little plus sign right there, and automatically it pops in. Right? And so let's say you want to add another video into that. So you just come right back over here to layers, go back up, you come back to camera, you type in this. You click this little plus sign. It adds another video. And depending wherever this little blue cursor is, it'll drop it in the front or it'll drop it in the back. You can drop numerous videos in. You see how I was able to drop 2 of the same video with this one in the middle? You click this little play button up here in the top right. This was the other day.
Okay.
Burrito.
Okay.
These are all like a couple days ago videos.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Come on,
But
somebody.
come on, somebody. But I'm just giving you a little bit of a. Okay, look. Check this out. So when you add 2 videos or 3 videos or however many you want, then it connects them all.
Come on, somebody.
It'll jump right to the video. And same thing over here. What was I doing right there? Right? And so let's say you're able to put up like 4 videos at a time before it starts asking you to sign up for some type of membership. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to go around having to pay for it. Still, this is a great app. If you do want to change anything in it, you come down here to this bottom left corner. You see how it's highlighted in this one video? You could either click the other video to start messing with this one, right? And you're able to do a lot of different things down here. Like you're able to crop it. You're able to make it bigger. So when you do watch it, it's bigger. You see how it got bigger? So, see how like it's skinny right there? The video, and then because you cropped it, you made it bigger. Well, that's the really cool thing about this this app. It's really easy to use. You'll be able to get the hang of it really quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this this video collage or montage or however they want to call it, compilation, and I'm going to call it good. I'm going to go up here. to the top left, there's my little project. I'm going to click it again, and I'm going to go to produce video. Bam, baby. Now here, this is dope. With this, you're able to go to, you could either share it on YouTube, share it on Facebook, you can save it to your gallery or your SD card. You're able to have more output options, but I like to just do straight from YouTube. You could either do the 720, the 360, or you hit this full HD. It says that you need premium. You go back, you say nah, and then you go watch the ad and check out the ad.
My goodness, that is a spectacular lawn.
When you see a great lawn, it's all you see. We'll take care of your lawn.
Top right. It now allows you to do full HD, 1080. Hit next, and then it starts preparing a movie, right? Man, I should have did a little bit of a shorter movie, but that's okay. So it looks like it's going to finish pretty soon. While it's finishing, we'll go back to the main screen. Once again, I really like this quote. It says, "Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard." Come on, somebody. So we go back here. Once again, all you really need is Power Director. You need YouTube Studio to track your progress, and that's about really all you need. Now, if you're able to get Galaxy Store, if you have Galaxy Store on your phone, that's dope. I suggest downloading ZenTube or Tube HD Video Download. Now, they're practically the same thing, except for ZenTube's been kind of bugging out on me recently, but I was able to download Tube HD Video Download, which is exactly the same thing, but a different app. So that's pretty cool. So, I'm pretty sure the app is ready, or the video has been processed. Go back here, let's see what we're working with. Complete. Then we go to YouTube. Rate us. Not now. I should rate them though. I've already uploaded a few videos, so that's pretty cool of them. Then you just, it brings you right back here to your channel. So, this is my channel, Ricky Elastic King's Kid. Now, we need to get you a channel, but once you get your channel, it'll automatically start sending them directly here to your channel. So you just type in whatever you want to type in, you hit upload. Check this out. And there it is. As simple as that. It starts to upload it, and in no time, you have a video that's uploaded and ready to be uploaded to your to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to upload this video, and I'm going to save it as is. Now it's talking about 4% uploaded. I don't know if I'm willing to wait for that. Delete upload. Yes. 6 upload. 8%. Oh, cancel upload. That's okay. Because what I am going to do is I am going to upload this video. I'm going to come back here to screen recorder. I'm going to stop the recording right here. It's been going on for 13 minutes, 31 seconds. And yeah, I just want to give a huge shout out to you guys. Thanks Johnny Hernandez for helping me come out with this idea of a how-to on how to start uploading videos. Hopefully you don't mind the rambling. But yeah, like I'm saying, like it's gonna be dope, you guys. Once we start adding like a whole bunch of videos and I'm able to follow you guys, and you guys follow me, it doesn't really matter so much on who all else is watching it. It's just gonna be cool because we're still gonna be kind of connected, you know. Doesn't really matter how far we go because YouTube's always right here, and it's not gonna go anywhere anytime soon, and neither are we. Hallelujah. Alright, you guys, God bless, and thanks again for watching.